Hello, welcome back to Bell's Learning Corner. Today we are going to talk about the story of Dee and Zee. Meet a kid named Zee. He lives on Earth. Meet a Martian named Zee. He lives on Mars. Dee and Zee are best friends. One day, Dee sent Zee a space mail. Zee sent Dee a space mail back. That gave Dee a great idea. She was surprised Zee for her 1000th birthday. But how would she get to Mars? She could not go by bike. She could not go by train. She could not even go by plane. I know, said Dee. I'll go by rocket ship. So Dee decided to build one. She worked and worked. At last, the rocket ship was down. There was just one more thing to do. Dee baked a big cake and put on 1000 candles. Then Dee climbed into the rocket ship and blasted off to Mars. Dee zoomed and zoomed and zoomed. At last, she reached Mars. Surprised, said Dee. Meep, replied Zee. Dee had a party for Zee. She gave her the cake and sang happy birthday. Thanks, said Zee. Then she blew out all of her candles. Did you make a wish? Asked Dee. Yes, replied Zee. I wish everyone had a best friend just like you. Okay, so this is a story for today. Thanks for watching. Now see you next time. Bye.